The atomization process begins with a solid wire being fed from a spool into the atomization unit. Using a wire instead of a metal stream allows for greater control over the feed process, granting improved stability and accuracy during this stage. In a single step, high-temperature plasma torches melt and atomize a small section of the wire. The 2-story tall atomizer is large enough to provide the necessary residence time for the particles to form and settle in the most optimal manner. The surface tension of the atomized particles reforms them into even spherical shapes. At the same time, residual argon gas is allowed to escape from the particle. This process avoids irregularly shaped particles and gas pockets that are typical with cold gas atomization. Fully formed particles typically range from 0 to 180 microns. They are highly spherical powders with superior flowability, low porosity in satellites, and feature device compatibility across all additive manufacturing modalities.